Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Sizzlers. I'm back with another dish. This is called chicken strips on skewers. This is a very simple starter dish. This can be served in any parties or as Christmas is even here, we could serve this as a starter for a Christmas lunch or dinner. So let's get cooking. To the ingredients, I have here one chicken breast, some breadcrumbs, some white sesame seeds, one egg, salt, pepper powder and some skewers. To the first step, take the chicken breast and cut it into small strips. If you have any small bits, you can use it in a soup or in fried rice or in anything that you cook later. So you can cut it into small strips like this. So I have now cut the chicken breast into thin strips. So the next step would be to take the chicken strips and then using a tenderizer, just bash it a little bit so that the breast becomes softer and you get very soft chicken strips. So just bash them a little bit. I have now bashed the chicken strips with a tenderizer and they are now flat and soft. The next step would be to beat the egg. Add about a quarter tablespoon of salt. A quarter I'll add half a tablespoon of pepper powder so it's a bit spicy. I take a fork and then beat the egg. Now add the chicken strips into the egg. So this will give a good coating for the chicken strips. Give this a good mix so all the chicken strips are coated with the egg mixture. The next step would be to take the skewers and insert the chicken breast into the skewer. The chicken strips have now been inserted on the skewers. So they are like this. They will become stiff when you fry them, so it's okay if it's a bit wobbly. Now we need to coat this with the breadcrumbs. Take about 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds and add it to the breadcrumbs and mix it. This will give a good texture. You'll be able to see the white sesame seeds on the chicken strip skewers. So this is also just to make it look a bit nice. Now take the chicken skewers and dip it into the breadcrumbs. Nicely coat them with the breadcrumbs mixture. And dust off any extra breadcrumbs. So we have one ready. On to the next. So to the last one. Yeah, the strips have actually become firm after coating them with breadcrumbs. They will become even more firm when you fry them. So yeah, it's not going to be wobbly after you fry them. The chicken strips are now ready to be fried. I've taken some oil in a pan. The oil is now hot. I'm going to put the skewers inside the oil. Yeah, you don't need to use too much oil. It's almost like a shallow fry. Chicken strips have now been cooking for about 2 minutes. You can turn them. Yeah, these have now been cooking for about 1 minute. I need to have this slightly golden brown, so I'm going to turn it again and cook for another 2 minutes on the other side as well. Yeah, these have now been cooking for another 2 minutes. I think they look good now. They're golden brown, so I'm going to take them. The chicken strips on skewers are now ready. It's a very simple dish and can be made under 30 minutes. And this is very popular with the children and adults at the same time. I'll be back with another dish very soon. Until then, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.